Eating green, unpacking the phrase. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the colorful world of English expressions. Specifically, we'll unwrap the meaning behind eating green. Join us as we explore this phrase, its origins, and how to use it in conversation. Let's get started. Eating green is a phrase that's as much about food as it is about lifestyle. It refers to choosing foods that are not only healthy but also beneficial for the environment. This can include organic fruits and vegetables, locally sourced produce, and plant-based options. It's about being mindful of the impact your food choices have on your health and the planet. The term green has long been associated with nature and, by extension, with health and vitality. Eating green extends this concept to our diet, emphasizing the importance of consuming foods that keep us and our surroundings thriving. It's a phrase that has gained popularity with the growing environmental and health-conscious movements. In conversation, eating green can be a versatile phrase. You might say, "I've started eating green to improve my health," or "Our cafeteria now offers more green options for a sustainable lifestyle." It's a succinct way to express a commitment to healthier eating habits that also consider environmental sustainability. By eating green, you're not just nourishing your body with vitamins and minerals. You're also supporting sustainable farming practices, reducing carbon footprint, and encouraging biodiversity. It's a holistic approach that benefits your personal well-being and the health of the planet. Incorporating eating green into your life doesn't have to be daunting. Start small by adding more vegetables to your meals, choosing organic options when possible, and reducing meat consumption. Remember, it's about making conscious food choices that promote a healthier lifestyle and a healthier world. We hope this exploration of eating green has been enlightening and inspires you to think about the food on your plate. Remember, every green choice contributes to a bigger change. Until next time, happy learning and happy eating.